What's up guys, it's Seth. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be giving you some tips and tricks for clan games so you can complete it as fast as possible. So I've been able to complete clan games in as little as an hour, but it depends on a couple things. So the most important thing is that you have some clan members on at the same time as you. The first reason is if you have a quest where you need to donate spells or troops, they can be online and request so you can donate to them. The other reason is if you have a quest and you need certain troops, or if you are below Town Hall 12 and you need a siege machine, they can be online to donate to you. Another good thing to have is another account that you can use to donate to yourself. I have a Very Rush Town Hall 13 that I use, but only to donate to myself when I need siege machines or certain troops. So that's an optional thing to have, but it's really nice in case none of your clanmates are online. You can also request for donation, so if you have a quest where you need to donate spells or troops, you can use this account to request, and sometimes I'll just put a note and let them know that I want to donate to this account so I can complete my clan games challenge. Like I said, this is optional, but it really does help out a lot if you have a second account you can use to request and donate. The other reason it's good to have your clanmates online while you're doing clan games is for the rotation of the challenges. And so this brings me to my other tip. So you want to try to get the golden challenges. And what I mean by the golden challenges is you'll see some challenges have golden numbers instead of silver numbers. And that means these have more value for how much time it'll take you to do it or how hard it is. You'll get more points for it. So you really want to focus on those. And so having your clanmates online means you can rotate through challenges quicker. So if you're full on just silver challenges and there's no gold ones, maybe one of your clanmates will pick up the silver one and it'll rotate back to a gold challenge, and you can take that gold challenge and complete clan games as fast as you can. My third tip is before clan game starts, I would recommend dropping trophies on both your builder base and your home base. This helps out a lot when you have a challenge, say for the builder base, where you need to destroy a certain amount of buildings or get a certain amount of percentage. It helps a lot because you can easily get a 3-star on a base, destroy all the buildings, or get that 100%, and you'll complete these quests faster. Same on the home base, you'll go up against pretty easy bases if you drop trophies. So you'll be able to get 3 stars if you have a challenge that you need to get stars for, or if you need to destroy buildings. So I just really recommend dropping trophies before clan games start. So here's a really good example of why it's great to drop trophies. I had a challenge where I had to get about 215% damage on the builder base, and my first base that I got to was a really easy base, and I easily 3-starred it, and so it only took me a few attacks to get this quest done. So definitely drop your trophies so you can get these easy bases and complete these challenges really quickly. This next tip is pretty simple, but it's really important. If you have a training potion that you can use, 1 or 2 training potions, it's really nice to have for the home base, because when you're trying to get those challenges done quickly and you need to get stars or you need to get percentage, whatever it is, you should have a training potion so you can have your troops training quickly the whole time so you can keep those challenges going. This next tip is for the home base, and this is actually a mistake that you should try to avoid. And I made this mistake a lot, and I would have finished clan games quicker if I had not done this. So when you're doing a challenge for the home base, wait until your whole army is trained, because so many times I got impatient and I had like 3/4 of my army. I was pretty sure I could win this attack if I had to get stars. And I just went in, and you can see in this attack that I just totally failed because I didn't have my whole army. And it's definitely worth it just to wait for your whole army to train. Make sure you have that training potion going, but don't attack until your whole army is trained. Learn from my mistakes. My final tip is definitely optional, but I mentioned that it's good to have clan members online so you can rotate through the challenges and get to the gold challenges. But if you don't have them online and you have some gems, it's not super expensive if you start a challenge and then just cancel it. Then you have to pay gems to get the 10 minutes passed so you can start a new challenge. It's not that many gems, but this is definitely optional. But if you have some gems that you're willing to spend, go ahead and do this if you want a gold challenge and all you see is silver challenges. So I hope you found this video helpful. Hopefully it'll help you complete your clan games quicker if that's what you want to do. And so if you liked the video, click the like button and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of my other videos. But I hope to see you in the next video.